Shut up! Action.
So which risk assessment?
Alright, so we're in the off season. We haven't had one nocturnal operation from the tallies in the area the entire month. Therefore, if we keep the area clear, we're not going to have anybody or any guests joining us at 3 o'clock in the morning as we do a little stroll to the X.
So what are you going to need from this end?
I need 3 snipers. I need a sniper team. I need one for me to have a buddy for recon and acquisition. And I need everybody to have 2 days rations minimum, a light ammo load. They need to know that we're going outside the wire. Oh yes, and I need to request that we have no drones operating, no patrols on foot, no mechanized patrols within a 30-mile radius, no comms, nothing.
You have to really sell me on this no comms, no recon scenario you want.
Do a turn that way. Okay. So anyway, we already got that.
Right.
So anyway, I was just throwing that in there. All right, let's watch that.